Hi everyone, my name is Sandra and this is my channel Midwest Charm. Welcome. If you've not been here before, I like to thrift and yard sale and upcycle items from smalls to furniture and everything in between. I do sell my stuff in a store not very far from my house. I'm kidding, it's about 30 minutes from my house, 45 minutes I guess. But this today is a haul of some of the things I've gotten at mostly, no, thrift stores, yard sales. Yeah, both today. Let me jump in and get started. It's kind of all over the table here, so I'm just trying to decide where to start and if I should do the two big items. I found one big item this week on Facebook Marketplace. It was $10. And it's pretty cute. I mean, we've got a little bit of everything going on. Read the back of it. There's hooks on the bottom. We have this cute little door. This will get painted up and made to look pretty again. And then that was, I think I said 10 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. We went to a yard sale yesterday, 2 of them on the way home from a doctor's appointment for Char, and couldn't figure out why there were so many people in line. Well, this yard sale, it was all 50 cents, everything, no matter what it was. Some things not in the picture is I bought, actually there's quite a few things that didn't make it in. They must still be out in my truck. There was a vintage fold-up step stool. It's really cute. It's white and red, though I do believe they spray painted it and it's not like the original paint, but it's super cute. I want to kind of distress it up and then coat that with a clear. And then I think there was like a flannel shirt that I want to bleach, and vintage Hot Wheels for my boys, and just like a little wooden box, like a cheese box, but teeny tiny, and another little wooden box with a lid, like a jewelry box, sort of. Just some little things, and everything was 50 cents. The other thing that was 50 cents that I grabbed, I was looking for frames, and I saw this. I mean, is this not amazing? But look how huge this is, you guys. Can I even get it all in there? I don't know. I was just going to use the frame, and Kate's like, oh, that picture's not too bad. And it's really not. I think if that frame were updated, it would brighten it up and maybe not pull so much yellow. But maybe it's just too aged and it's just going to pull yellow. 50 cents for that. So for that amazing frame, who knows? I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. And then I'm going to reach over some stuff and grab this since it's kind of in the way. And this thing has fallen like 3 times. Thank you, cats. These are loose because my cats dropped it off the table. So I'm going to pull those back out and redo them. This was $4.99. I think this might have actually been in a different haul now that I'm thinking about it. And I've got this cute little shelf sitter. This was $2.75. And let's see. Oh my gosh. So these, guys, I don't even know what I'm going to do with these. I saw them and I put them in the cart and I'm like, I might get them, I might not. They're little end tables. What the drawers actually work. I think I'm going to paint these to match. I mean, I don't even know how you would stage these. I don't know, but they're too adorable to pass up. I've never seen anything like them. So I got those. Those were $4.99 each, a little high, but I figure with a little bit of paint, I can sell them for probably like $14.95 each. I'm thinking maybe $12.95. I got this was a yard sale, 50 cents at a yard sale. I got this wall organizer for $1.75. I love doing these. They actually sell pretty well for me. This one will probably just get a number 1, number 2, number 3 on the little dividers. But again, they'll sell pretty well for me. I got some buffalo check, just tins. There's 3 of them, all 3 the same size. I paid $1.99 for the grouping. These will be absolutely fabulous come Christmas time to repurpose. They're all going to need wash because they were all taped together with really uber sticky tape here. But yeah, they look brand new. There's not a scratch on them. There's nothing. Oh, the top one now has a scratch, but that's the cat. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing this morning. Anyways, 3 of those for $1.99. And then we found this for $5.99. This is just a wooden box, homemade. Has a crack in the top, so this is going to need some wood filler, but I also think I'm going to use my paper clay and some molds to zhuzh this up and get that ready to be flipped. Then we found some little white dishes. This is a little bit bigger than what I typically buy. It's just a false graph. It was $1.99. I usually like to keep my creamers tiny, small, white, maybe with some flowers. You can see my one up here with flowers. I think, though, this would even look cute with, like, some sprigs of cotton or eucalyptus or something. This is going to get flipped. This is not going to stay here, so it'll just get a good wash and then something. And then we have, I didn't even peel off the sticker to see what brand this was. It looks like Dansk. Yep, this is Dansk, and it's just a little teapot. Again, they like to tape their stuff there. It was $1.99, and this will probably go into the store too, to be honest. Super cute. It's got a little bit of detailing right here. This is just dirt. But yeah, isn't that cute? And this one was 50 cents. This is actually just a canister, and they usually have a little scoop here. I will probably put a small transfer or a stamp on this. I've done that before. I don't know where it is, but I've done it before. I actually may have brought it to the store. This is, it says Japan. I can't read the name above it. Let's see. I stopped at a yard sale. Actually, let's finish these first, and then we'll go over that one. This I paid up on too. It's just a cute little cage. This came with it, but I honestly like it better without. This will get some paint on it, probably black. We'll redo the rope here on top, and it may get like seasonal. I just bought a bunch, not a bunch, but I bought some from Hobby Lobby. Has all their Christmas out, and I bought some cute little jingle bells to use as fillers, and it may get like something like that, and it would be super cute. And then my Hobby Lobby receipt. I got a crock, you guys. I paid up on this too. Paid 10. I typically don't pay over 5 for this size, but I haven't seen any in a couple months now. So I grabbed this one. I like to put transfers on these, the old label ones. And I'll do that with this one too. I put it in the store. And then we stopped at a yard sale that had a bunch of Target returns and where they buy the pallets and then resell it. So I grabbed some stuff from there, and the first thing I grabbed was this. It is a beautiful, it's pottery. It's super cute. It's a threshold designed with, I don't have any of these tags off, you guys. This might be like a McGee and me. I can't get the tag off. I swear they make these return tags like, anyways, it was $5, and this is the first thing I grabbed, and I only had $10 on me. And I'm like, do you guys take Cash App or Venmo? Because if so, I'll spend more. Otherwise, it's just this, and I'm leaving. So they definitely did, and I definitely bought more, and I can't get this off. I'll try getting it off later, but $5 for that. I actually really, really like that. I'm not sure if I'm keeping that or bringing it to the store. If I bring it to the store, again, I'll probably put a transfer or a stamp on it. I just got a tablecloth for myself, gray, kind of worn look. Again, the Threshold brand, and it was $5, which is probably a little pricey on that, but it's super long. And when we have our middle leaf in on our dining room table here, it takes up a lot of room, and just kind of nice to have it. a long one. So this, when these were out in my paper towels, when these were out in the store, me and Katie looked at them multiple times, and I just couldn't justify paying $5 for the smaller one. So I paid $0.25. I will paint it. I will distress it back so you can see some of that terracotta on there in the white. I don't know. I thought it was funny. Little glass votive candles. I paid $2 for the 8 in there. And then there's just some stuff for Char and some stocking stuffers and all that kind of good stuff. So that is my haul this week. Please like, subscribe, and share. And Katie and I are going to citywide yard sales in Cambridge, Minnesota today. And you can see, let me show you. It's still dark. Nobody here is awake. It is still dark out. I get up with Todd and he's already out the door. So I figure I'll record and get this done and uploaded quick. But we're going to go and I'll see if I can film while there. Otherwise, I'll have another haul video later next week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.